Welcome to our video, Top 10 Best Garden Tools and Accessories for Every Gardener. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 10. These electric pruning shears are designed for quick, clean, and precise cuts, making them a must-have for gardeners. The blade is forged from high-carbon steel and powered by a brushless motor, allowing you to cut branches up to 1.2 inches thick effortlessly. Its child-safe design ensures accidental activations are avoided, providing an added layer of security. Whether you're tending to an orchard or trimming roses in your garden, these shears are your versatile ally. Number 9. Maximize your gardening space with these eco-friendly, non-woven fabric planting bags. They're ideal for strawberries, vegetables, and decorative plants. The pastoral design blends seamlessly into indoor and outdoor settings, and their easy installation ensures a hassle-free gardening experience. Perfect for small balconies or creating vertical gardens in tight spaces. Number 8. This automatic greenhouse window opener is your solution for maintaining the perfect climate in your greenhouse. With an adjustable temperature range of 16 degrees to 25 degrees Celsius, it provides efficient ventilation while being easy to install. The durable galvanized cover protects against the elements, ensuring years of reliable performance. Number 7. The Era folding saw is a versatile tool crafted for durability and efficiency. Its sharp serrations provide smooth and effortless cutting, while the foldable design ensures portability and safety. Whether you're pruning trees or preparing firewood for camping, this saw delivers exceptional results every time. Number 6. Built with SK5 high-carbon steel blades, these pruning shears offer sharp, precise, and durable cutting. The U-shaped groove design ensures branches and flowers are neatly trimmed without damage. Its lightweight body and high-strength spring make it effortless to use, while the non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip. Number 5. Simplify your watering routine with this automatic garden water timer. It efficiently controls irrigation schedules, ensuring your plants get the right amount of water at the right time. Its durable construction and user-friendly interface make it an essential tool for gardens of all sizes. Number 4. Take the guesswork out of gardening with this 3-in-1 soil tester. It measures soil moisture, pH levels, and sunlight exposure, ensuring your plants thrive in the best possible conditions. Compact and easy to use, this tool is a gardener's best friend for achieving optimal plant health. Number 3. This nylon garden twine is perfect for supporting young plants, securing vines, and organizing cables. The self-gripping design makes it easy to use, while its durable yet flexible material ensures long-lasting support. Whether in the garden or indoors, these ties are both functional and visually discreet. Number 2. Transform your mini electric drill into a powerful chainsaw with this converter tool. Ideal for light-duty logging and gardening tasks, it offers flexibility and efficiency. Its compact design and ease of installation make it a practical addition to your gardening toolkit. Number 1. This seed starter tray is a game changer for indoor gardening. Equipped with full-spectrum LED grow lights, it provides the ideal environment for seed germination and seedling growth. The adjustable ventilation and reusable design make it eco-friendly and versatile, suitable for flowers, vegetables, and more. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.